Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey girl, hey, how you doing today? Guys, I want to do a supportive sister video, and I want to showcase to you one of the hardest working women on YouTube. And after you watch this video, you are going to agree with me. She's one of the hardest working women on YouTube. Guys, I want to introduce you to Val. Val is a YouTuber. She's been on YouTube for quite a while now, and she has a beauty channel as well as the other stuff you're going to see that she does as well. Guys, she is so professional, such a sweet, beautiful spirit, so down to earth, y'all. I really appreciate and look up to her. She is amazing. Guys, her channel, her YouTube channel is called TMC, the Mind Catcher Natural Beauty, and on that channel you're going to find all types of review videos. She gives you great product reviews. She does all makeup, skincare, all kinds of product reviews you'll find on her channel. And guys, tutorials, that's your girl. She's gonna give you all, especially those eye looks. Her eye looks are amazing to me, and her full face look, she just gives you great tutorials on her channel, as well as look at her beautiful hair. You're gonna get wig reviews, natural hair reviews. You'll get natural hair product reviews on her channel, tutorials on how to do hair, and she has natural beautiful nails. And y'all know I love me some fingernail polish. She does fingernail polish reviews. So she gives you the 411 on that, and girl, you get that Boxycharm, the real Boxycharm review. So she lets you know if it was good or not, if it was worth having or not getting. And then the little mind catchers, with her, which is her two beautiful daughters. Their name are Gabby and Nadia, and those girls are so beautiful. They're so well behaved. They're just little angels to me. You know, I just really love them so much, and they're such great little girls. And on their channel, you get a lot of natural hair product reviews, and you'll get clothing reviews, like when they go shopping. You'll also get like age-appropriate nail polish and stuff like that for the little girls, and they love them some Pandora like I do. And even the husband Bob has his own channel, guys. And if your husband has a beard, they need to check Bob's channel out, because he does reviews on like the butters and the shampoos and the oils, anything that's going to keep your beard together. He has that on his channel. And not only that, y'all, they have a family vlog called The Real Neils, and on this channel you're gonna get recipes and food. And Bobby on that grill, y'all. Bobby, I don't even eat meat, and Bobby make me want to eat some meat. That barbecue be looking to bomb. They do family vacations. Every year they go to Disney World for Thanksgiving. She homeschools her children, so you see videos about that. They also do some home repairs on their home, and they live in Miami, so when it's hurricane season, you'll get to see videos about, you know, what's going on with the hurricanes and how they're preparing. And also, guys, they take care of her mother who has MS, so she started this caregiver's diary where she's just keeping it 100 about being a caregiver, and invites others to join in on that conversation. Then on her Instagram, she has her own Instagram page, and there you will see basically a little bit of everything that she does. You know, it's encompass all the stuff that you'll be able to catch on her YouTube channel. And then she has another IG page, which is nothing but fingernail polish. Now, oh, I love that page because I love fingernail polish. But she gives you great swatches so you can actually see how the polish is going to look, especially if you have deeper skin tone. I love that's one of my favorite pages for her. And then the little mind catchers have their own page as well, so you get to see them outside of the vlogs. And if you have a young daughters that need someone positive to look at on Instagram, they definitely need to check out their Instagram page as well as their YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you guys go over to her channel, show her some love, give her some purple hearts, and let her know that I sent you. Guys, she does so much, and it amazes me how she's able to maintain and keep all of this together. And I know it can't be easy, but she makes it look so easy. And I just want to shout her out as my supportive sister for today, because girl, you are freaking amazing. So you guys, don't forget to check her out, and don't forget, if you have not yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye bye ladies.